Hi guys, welcome to my series, Unlocking the T-Distribution. I think in this series, you're going to find everything you need to know or possibly could want to know about the T-distribution. So let me just give you the outline of how it's going to go down. So first of all, I've got a brief video, part one, that's going to explain, it's going to go briefly into the history of the T-distribution, very briefly, by the way, and then it will give some of the prerequisites for deriving the probability density function. Part two, we're going to go ahead and derive the probability density function. Part three, I'm going to demonstrate exactly how that is used to calculate probabilities. And we'll compare that with some of the graphics in the T-table that most people are familiar with. Part four, I'm going to show you how to manually calculate, do the manual calculations for the hypothesis testing using the T-distribution. And then part five, I will do implementation of hypothesis testing using the T-distribution in Python. And then finally, I'll make one other video of how to implement this in R. Okay, so I hope you like it. I hope it helps your understanding. And if you have any comments, if you notice any errors, or if you just want to say hello, please put that in the comments. I will be looking and responding to those. Okay, take care. I hope this helps.